about 60% of the nails and cure for 30 seconds. Hi, Burke and Billy. Hello, how are you? Sorry, I didn't see you come in because I looked down, but now I see you. Can I get them? Can I glow in the dark though? I want some of them to open though. So, I think I said, oh, I'm gonna show you something cool, and I didn't think that I am going to use it separate, but I think I changed my mind and I do it. But I'll take some of my butterflies right here. If you've seen, maybe can you open it? Maybe not. It's okay. I can get some from here.
Do you want me to open some for you?
Huh? No, it's okay.
Okay.
I think I can get some cute one from here. There's a lot here.
Pandora, she just got her box today.
Ah, Pandora, I'm so excited for you. Yes, Skyla, designer Foy, you are absolutely right, Skyla. Do you like this cute unicorns? What is an idea is we can do unicorn together in one of the video this week if you would like to. We can stream it together and show us, and it's so easy. I did it using 40 gel, so we can definitely doing it together. We can stream together. We can stream 4 of us at the same time now. That is so stunning. So let us know, thumbs up if you want to do that. We're gonna select a date and we're gonna do it together. It's like nail tutorial date. Let me know. All right, so this is 30 seconds is over, and we are going to place this. So definitely doesn't matter. So whatever you want, I think I'm gonna do it this. Because I haven't had my tweezer on it yet, but I can see that. Look at it. It's like sucked right into that premium eye hole chamfer foil. I'm so happy that Glitz have this premium one. So this make our life is so much easier. If you haven't owned one yet, check it out. Especially, I think it's like 30% off for the 3 years anniversary sales. Look at that. Ta-da! All right, so you can transfer any image if you want more flowers using that that spot. If you want more of animal prints like cheetahs, you can use this one. So definitely whatever angle you want to use. I think this one look cute too. So if you do the look for the client's hand nails, definitely you can you turn at different angles. You give it different looks for them. So it looks like really in the theme, but they are not like identical. It's make the clients is so excited about that. And then, so one of really cool tip and trick before you are in cap with your monomers and crystal clears again, we are going to put the no wipe top coat on to definitely you could love that. That's awesome. So we are going to put the no wipe top coat on first and let cure for 30 seconds. You see when you put on one hand on, you can easily like completely 60 seconds. And you are able to encap it so easy. That is awesome, Skylar. The foil is really, I can't wait because look at this. You know what? I have an idea of this foil. And let's look at this. That foil, I have an idea of doing kind of a yellows and foil. And then you can put this glow in the dark brows. Oh, this is so cute. You have to see it in like how you incorporate it with the gold frames or even the rose gold frames. Oh, I can't wait. So it is actually glow in the dark. Yes, Brazil. You're gonna be 100% for 10 years anniversary. Yes. So 10 years gonna be free. We'll go on a cruise together. And it's free, Brazil. All right, so let's move this one on the side. This one is make me really excited as well. I don't know, they're all so cute. And all right, so this one done and completely dry. So now it feels really good that I can able to using number 2 Young Peach. And we are going to pick a smaller beads. Smallers go a long way, especially for all of us who is really into a lot of ombre nails. So I'm going to blend it. It's put it about 70%, 80%, right above of your foil line, and using the belly of your bristle, blend it. Keep it flat like this. If I turn it that side, you can see that instead of you go angle like that. If anyone is working with me right now, Brazil, I love your live today. Everybody been doing it so good with live videos, so good. Like yesterday, I got to see Sheila did, and also I got to see China, and Shay did that too. So awesome. We'll get some pink, some clear. You lady doing amazing. I'm gonna play with that and see what's up with that. I want that green. Okay, I'll put it some in here. See? Ta-da. That's it. And then now I am going to do another beads. Smaller one. Hey Dom, welcome back. Now you're gonna do it like right close, about 90%, just a hair away from your cuticles, and tuck it in. Tuck in the cuticles. You don't want to do it right on the top of the cuticle because it's gonna be really hard. So just right about 90%, like just a hair away, and then tuck it in, and using your belly of your bristles. And hold on, how does this one get in here? It's for my brush, I guess. Right there. Don't move. Thank you, Lily. I'm using just a little clear to hold my glitter. Right there. And let it set for just a second. Hip, you okay? China is good. You've been working. Your brain has been working so hard. All right. So then now we're gonna do it. We're gonna do a clear to cap it. It's awesome. It's keep you busy. Hi, Sheila. Sheila, how are you? We're just talking about you. That was a live yesterday. You sharing is beautiful. It's amazing. Thank you so much, lady. You ladies is amazing. It's all of you are absolutely. And I lately, just in today, I see Billy with his beautiful, all the pictures to the Instagram. It's awesome job, Billy. Just share it all. Do not worry. Okay, so here is one of my share with you. If you are beginner, or you start, or whether you are like advanced, you've been in the industry for so many years. A lot of things change. I learned it as well, like everybody else. Do not hesitate to post, to share, because everybody start from somewhere. You know, when you look back, you see, oh my gosh, you know, I did it. And just don't be proud of yourself and feel that is your achievement. Do not worry about people like, oh my gosh, you didn't do looks good. This doesn't look good. ABC, is this okay? People can say whatever they say. You do you and believe in yourself. And, you know, everybody start from somewhere. Someone would be doing it for 10 years or 5 years, 6 years with the new techniques. And then you just started now. It is okay. In the next 5 years, or 1 year or 2 years, you are going to catch up. If you are keep doing what you're doing, continue what you're doing. So I'm finished with the cap. Really soft. I'm turning on the side for you to see. It's blending really nicely. And then I am going to let it set for, well, if you do 10 nails or 5 nails, and by the time you finish the 10th nails, it's going to set for you. So let's set this one on these sides, and we are going to clean the other one. Maybe I should doing 1 bonus one. Maybe 2 bonus. Hi, little firecrackers.